Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake at home with paneer. Start by pressing and draining the paneer until crumbly and dry, then preheat your oven to a moderate temperature, and prepare a simple biscuit crust pressed firmly into a springform pan. Blend paneer with sugar, eggs, and lemon zest until smooth, then pour over crust and bake gently until set and slightly jiggly. Allow to cool fully before chilling for best texture. Drain paneer well and press it through a sieve to get a silky texture for your cheesecake. Whisk eggs with sugar until light, then fold in lemon zest, vanilla, and a touch of cream for richness. Keep mixtures cool between steps to prevent separation, and avoid overbeating once eggs are added. Gentle folding preserves air and creates a creamy, dense texture that mimics classic cream cheese cheesecakes without cracking. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers to store leftover cheesecake slices, prevent spills, and keep crust crisp. They stack well, are dishwasher-friendly, and save time when sharing desserts with friends. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Bake the cheesecake in a water bath to maintain even temperature and prevent splitting, and check for a slight wobble in the center when done. Let the cake cool gradually in the turned-off oven to reduce shock, then chill for several hours or overnight so flavors meld and texture firms. Serve with fresh berries, caramel, or roasted nuts, and wipe your knife between slices for neat presentation and perfect portions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.